Welcome, beautiful soul. In this moment, you've chosen to embark on a journey of gratitude, a journey that will illuminate the countless blessings surrounding you. As you find a comfortable position, acknowledge this time you've set aside for yourself, a sacred space to connect with your innermost feelings. Gently close your eyes. Let the external world fade away as you turn your attention inwards, focusing on the gentle rhythm of your breath. With each exhale, release any burdens or distractions. Envision them floating away, leaving space for gratitude to flow in. Visualize a warm, golden light emanating from your heart. This light represents the essence of gratitude. Feel its warmth, its glow, its gentle embrace. With every inhale, this light expands, filling every part of your being with appreciation. Let it remind you of the beauty that exists within and around you. Reflect on the simple joys in life, the warmth of the sun, a loved one's laughter, or the serenity of nature. Let these moments of gratitude compound, building a reservoir of appreciation within you. As this golden light envelops you, immerse yourself in life's blessings, both big and small. The gift of nature, the love of family, the joy of friendship, and even challenges that have led to growth. Each thought amplifies the feeling of gratitude, making the golden light glow even brighter. Now, in this space of deep appreciation, affirm to yourself, I am deeply grateful for the abundance in my life. I cherish each moment, each experience. Gratitude fills me, guiding my actions and thoughts. I am a magnet for blessings and appreciate each one. Bask in these affirmations, letting them resonate deeply within you. Feel the warmth of gratitude spread, touching every corner of your mind, body, and soul. As you continue to breathe, let this feeling of gratitude grow, expanding beyond you. Visualize this golden light of gratitude touching your loved ones, your community, and extending out to the world. Reflect on personal moments of gratitude from your past, cherished memories, acts of kindness, and moments of personal triumph. Let these memories fill you with warmth and appreciation, reinforcing the power of gratitude. Take a deep, rejuvenating breath, absorbing all the gratitude and love. As you remain in this state of deep appreciation, let the feeling of gratitude guide you, influencing your actions, thoughts, and interactions. Take a moment to sit in silence, absorbing the feelings and sensations you've cultivated. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself back to the present moment. Stretch gently, awakening your body, carrying the gratitude with you. When you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the world around you with a heart full of appreciation. Thank you for taking this journey of gratitude. Carry this light with you throughout your day. And if this meditation resonated with you, consider sharing it, spreading the ripple of gratitude further into the world.